Hi everyone, in this video I will explain you about what is DML. So DML stands for data manipulation language. So whenever we have to insert data in a table or modify data like updating a data in a table or deleting a data based on some business condition. So in these scenarios we will go to DML. So DML statements require commit. So as I explained in my previous video, DDL statements do not require commit, but DML statements explicitly require commit. So this was also explained in my previous video that insert, update, delete and merge commands comes under DML. So let's talk about the insert command. Insert command is used to insert data into database tables. So let's look at the insert syntax first. Insert into table name, then the list of columns, then values keyword, and then the list of values. And then we need to write commit. Let's go to the database. In my last video, I have created one table with name department. Yeah, so now let's insert the data in this table. So what we will write, insert into department values and then column name. Dept ID and dept name are the columns in department table. Then one. Let's suppose I'm adding admin department with value 1 and let's add two more departments, HR and IT. I'm assigning values as 2 and 3 to dept ID column. So insert those rows. Sorry, this is my mistake. So this is the actual command. Insert into department and column name, values, and then the values. So one row inserted, you can see in output in the script output window. And now you can see select star from department. So guys, you can see data, but as I explained earlier, like we need to commit this. But now your question is why we need to commit when we are able to see the data. The thing is we have inserted data and we are looking at the data in the same session in same database. In that scenario, you will be able to see the data. But let's suppose you have given grant to some user and he has a read writes on this table. He will not be able to see the data unless and until you explicitly write a commit command, or you can do a commit from here as well. I will explain about commit and rollback in my future videos in TCL. So now let's look at this department table data. Three rows are there. This is about the insert command. Let's talk about the another command, another DML command, update. So update command is used to update or modify data in a database table. So this is syntax for update. Update table name, set column name equal to value and column name equal to value. We can update multiple columns and we can give where condition as well. So let's suppose we have to update one department name. Okay, so in that scenario, let's suppose we have to update HR department name to finance. So update table name, that is department, set department name equal to finance, where on the basis of where condition we can give dept ID equal to 2. Similarly, if we have to update IT department, we can uh, write comma separated department name equal to anything you want to update. So we can write multiple updates in a single command. Here I am updating just HR department. So write update department, set department name equal to finance, where dept ID equal to 2. Just run this command. Now let's look at the data. So department name is updated. This is also a DML, so commit it. So this is the update command. Let's talk about the another DML command, that is delete. So delete statement, delete rows from a table. So in my previous video, I was explaining about truncate command, right? Truncate, what truncate does is truncate deletes all the rows from the table in one go. But if we have to delete a single row or more than one row, but on a specific condition, so what we can give is delete from department. Let's suppose we have to delete admin department. We can give dept ID equal to 1. if we don't give this condition, only execute this delete from department, it will delete all the rows. It will work similar as a truncate, but delete is very slower than truncate. I will create a separate video on differences between delete and truncate. And delete is a DML, so it requires a commit. So we can commit from here as well. Now you can see the data, only two departments are there. So this is all about the delete. Merge, merge statement, as I explained, like if we have to insert, update, and delete in a single command, then we can play around with the merge. So here I'm not going to explain you merge command in detail. I will create a separate video as it's a very important topic. So I will create a separate video on merge. So this is all about the DML. Let's talk about a little bit on DRL as well, because data retrieval language is nothing that is select statement. So that's we are already doing that. Select star from data. Select command is used for retrieval of data. Let's suppose we have to just retrieve the department name. So we can give select department name from department. So it will fetch only department name. So this is the DRL. So in this video, I have explained you about the DML commands and DRL. If you have learned something new, please like this video. Happy learning, guys. Thank you.